Ever wondered how birds, these seemingly delicate creatures, survive in the wild with exceptional abilities? From the graceful flutters of hummingbirds to the majestic soar of eagles, each bird species is equipped with unique talents that aid in their survival. Today we are going to explore the wonders of avian abilities. We'll be counting down 5 birds with remarkable talents, starting from the 5th and making our way to the 1st. So without further ado, let's take flight into the world of extraordinary bird abilities. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the lyrebird, a master of mimicry. This remarkable bird has an uncanny ability to recreate a stunning array of sounds. From the natural symphony of the forest to the growl of a car engine, the lyrebird's repertoire is as varied as it is impressive. It can mimic the bark of a dog, the call of other birds, and even the roar of a chainsaw with a precision that leaves one astonished. Truly a feathered virtuoso, isn't it? At number 4, meet the Ruppel's griffon vulture, the high flyer of the bird world. This remarkable creature defies gravity, reaching record-breaking altitudes where the air is thin and the chill is biting. In these extreme conditions, where oxygen levels are low and temperatures dip below freezing, the Ruppel's griffon vulture thrives. It soars with an ease that belies the harshness of its environment, embodying a resilience and adaptability that is truly awe-inspiring. Soaring in the skies, this bird truly knows no limits. Coming in hot at number 3 is the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world. This avian marvel is not just content with being the fastest bird, it's gone a step further to claim the title of the fastest animal on the planet. How does it achieve this feat, you ask? Well, during its hunting stoop, which is a high-speed dive, the peregrine falcon can reach mind-boggling speeds of over 240 miles per hour. A true speed demon, the peregrine falcon surely knows how to make a swift kill. At number 2, we find the Arctic tern, the long-distance champion. This little bird, with its delicate frame and sharp wings, embarks on an extraordinary migration journey every year. From its Arctic breeding grounds, it soars across the world to the Antarctic and back again. This annual round trip amounts to an astounding 44,000 miles, setting the record for the longest known migration in the animal kingdom. A true globetrotter, the Arctic tern surely knows how to rack up the air miles. And finally, at number 1, behold the American kestrel, the avian world's super seer. This small yet mighty falcon, native to North America, is armed with a unique superpower, an ability to see ultraviolet light. This extraordinary vision isn't just for show, it serves a critical purpose in the kestrel's survival and hunting strategy. Imagine being able to spot the faintest trails of urine left behind by voles, the kestrel's main prey, even from high in the sky. This ultraviolet vision allows the kestrel to do just that. It's like having a neon sign pointing towards dinner, a sign that's invisible to the rest of the world. This gives the kestrel an extraordinary advantage, enabling it to locate and swoop down on its unsuspecting prey with deadly accuracy. With its extraordinary sight, the American kestrel truly has an eye for detail. And with that, we conclude our countdown of birds with amazing abilities. Remember, in the world of birds, there's always more than meets the eye.